This video is regarding HP Envoy 7858 printer. I'm going to show you how to use the Wi-Fi Direct. So this is the Wi-Fi Direct of this printer, and it is the inbuilt Wi-Fi of the printer. If you do not have home or office Wi-Fi network, then you can use it. Now the first step is to switch on the printer and go to the display panel. Scroll down and this is the Wi-Fi Direct icon, so select it. It will display the status of the Wi-Fi Direct, that is the name of the Wi-Fi Direct, and password is written below. Switch it on. If it is off, click on the setting icon, switch it on from here and go back. Now go to your any device. For example, I have iPhone here. Open the Wi-Fi. Wait for the printer's Wi-Fi to appear here, or you can refresh this page. You will see the Direct HP Envoy 7800. Once you select it, enter the password displayed on the printer screen, and it will connect with the printer's Wi-Fi. Now go back and open the HP Smart app. If you don't have it, you can just take it from the App Store. Click on the Add Printer button and it will display the name of your printer series here. Simply click on that. It will add up instantly, and now you can start using it for wireless printing and scanning from here. So this is the printer's inbuilt Wi-Fi we are using here, so you cannot use the internet at same time. Thanks for watching.